Hi everyone, I'm so happy to be here. I'll be working on actually a quite large of a canvas for me. It's been a while since I've done one of these. I'll be working on a 16 by 20 canvas today. I wanted to do a kind of a play on a black and white, but I'll be doing a white and purple as my black. So I'll be working with dioxazine purple here by Liquitex. My white is going to be Artist Loft, and I'm going to be working with my two metallics today, which will be metallic silver and metallic gold. My intention is actually to add some gold flakes here to my gold paint as I'm doing my puddle pour. I haven't done that, so I'm excited to try that. So all of my paints have water and Floetrol, and they also have some silicone. So I hope it turns out nicely. So I'll cross my fingers and here we go. So, although my painting dried very dark, I'm still really happy with the overall look. I think that the gold glitter just stands out so much and it pops. It's really, really beautiful, and there's so many beautiful details in the picture. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!